The world of online business is booming and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Did you know that the affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach a staggering $17.2 billion by 2024? That's right, billions. This exponential growth is a clear indicator of the immense potential that lies within this sector. This incredible growth signifies a massive opportunity for individuals like you and me to tap into this digital goldmine. Imagine being part of an industry that's expanding at such a rapid pace. Affiliate marketing is no longer just a side hustle, it's a legitimate income stream that many are turning to for financial freedom. It's a way to earn passive income online, even while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right, making money while you dream. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative path. It fits seamlessly into various lifestyles. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. This means less hassle and more focus on what truly matters. You're essentially a middleman connecting businesses with potential customers. Your role is crucial in the digital marketplace. So if you're ready to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, buckle up. The journey ahead is filled with opportunities and rewards. We're about to embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of success in this thriving industry. Stay tuned as we explore the strategies and tools that can help you succeed. Imagine this. You recommend a fantastic product to a friend and they love it so much that they buy it based on your recommendation. Now, imagine getting rewarded for simply sharing your honest opinion. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You act as an affiliate for a company, promoting their products or services to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing is more relevant than ever. With billions of people online, the potential reach for your recommendations is limitless. Social media platforms, blogs, email lists, and websites all become powerful tools to connect with potential customers. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility. You can work from anywhere at any time and choose a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise. Whether it's technology, fashion, travel, or anything in between, there's an affiliate program out there for you. The opportunities are endless and the potential for growth is immense. So why not start exploring the world of affiliate marketing today? With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually expand your reach. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So dive in and unlock the potential of affiliate marketing. Your future self will thank you. There's no better time to start than now. Affiliate marketing often gets a bad rap, shrouded in misconceptions and unrealistic expectations. Some believe it's a get-rich-quick scheme, while others dismiss it as too complicated. Let's set the record straight. Affiliate marketing is not a magic bullet. It requires effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. It's not about spamming people with affiliate links. It's about building trust and providing value to your audience. Choosing the wrong niche or promoting low-quality products can lead to disappointment. It's crucial to partner with reputable brands and genuinely believe in the products you recommend. Furthermore, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build an audience, establish your credibility, and see consistent results. Patience and persistence are key. By understanding the realities of affiliate marketing, you can set realistic expectations and avoid common pitfalls. Section 4, Setting Sail, your affiliate marketing roadmap. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing adventure? Here's a roadmap to guide you. First, select a niche that excites you and aligns with your interests or expertise. This passion will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Next, research reputable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide array of products and services to promote. Then, craft valuable, informative, and engaging content that caters to your audience's needs and interests. This could include blog posts, product reviews, videos, social media updates, or email newsletters. Finally, attract a targeted audience interested in your niche. Use social media, SEO optimization, paid advertising, or collaborations to drive traffic to your content and affiliate links. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. Focus on providing value, building trust, and consistently creating high-quality content. Section 5. Charting your course strategies for affiliate success. Now that you have a solid foundation, let's explore some strategies to maximize your affiliate marketing success. These strategies will help you navigate the competitive landscape and stand out. First, don't try to be everything to everyone. This approach can dilute your efforts and make it harder to connect with your audience. Identify your target audience and tailor your content to their specific needs and interests. Understanding their pain points and preferences will make your content more relevant and engaging. Next, your email list is a valuable asset. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience and build a loyal following. Offer a lead magnet, such as a free ebook or discount code, to encourage visitors to subscribe. This incentive can significantly increase your email list. Use email marketing to nurture relationships and promote affiliate products. Regularly send valuable content to keep your audience engaged and informed. Then, engage with your audience on social media platforms where your target market hangs out. Social media is a powerful tool for building community and driving traffic. Share valuable content, run contests, and use social proof to build trust and credibility. Interacting with your audience can foster a sense of loyalty and community. Lastly, use analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, affiliate link clicks, and conversion rates. These insights are crucial for understanding your performance. Analyze the data to identify what's working and adjust your strategies accordingly. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with industry trends and best practices. Stay curious, experiment with different strategies, and adapt to the ever-evolving online landscape. Your willingness to learn and adapt will set you apart. Section 6. Reaping the rewards of affiliate marketing in 2024 and beyond. The future of affiliate marketing is bright. As more businesses recognize the power of affiliate marketing, opportunities for affiliates will continue to expand. By staying ahead of the curve, embracing new technologies, and consistently providing value to your audience, you can position yourself for long-term success in this dynamic industry. Affiliate marketing empowers individuals to achieve financial freedom, work from anywhere, and build a business around their passions. It's a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit that thrives in the digital age. As we've explored throughout this essay, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business model that requires effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. Section 7. Join the conversation, your affiliate marketing journey. We've covered a lot of ground, but this is just the beginning of your affiliate marketing journey. Now it's your turn to take action. What are your thoughts on affiliate marketing? Have you tried it before? What are your biggest challenges or successes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. For more resources and insights on affiliate marketing, be sure to check out link to a relevant resource, link to another relevant resource. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is vast and ever evolving. Embrace the journey, never stop learning, and watch your online business soar.